Welcome to SellerCenter channel. I'm going to share powerful hacks for using social media to grow your dropshipping business in 2025. If you're running a dropshipping store, success isn't just about products. It's about getting them in front of the right audience on the right platform. In this video, I'll show you how to use Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, and TikTok to build trust, generate leads, and drive sales. And stick around till the end. I'll reveal a secret tool called SellerCenter that lets you track competitor ads and uncover market opportunities. Facebook is the largest social media network out there, with billions of users. The majority of users are female, ages range from 18 to 48. It's incredible for brand loyalty and building trust. You can set up FAQs, chatbots for customer service, and collect customer reviews. This makes Facebook a great way for customers to verify your business, see that others have shopped with you, and build confidence in your brand. So, you definitely want to have a presence on Facebook. Instagram is purely visual. You need to create amazing photography and reels that show how your products work or how they solve customer problems. The majority audience is female, ages range from 13 to 17, but there's also a substantial 18 to 29 age range. It's great for lead generation. You can use hashtags and connect directly with people who might be interested in your dropshipping store. So focus on stunning visuals, reels, and pain point content. Instagram is also excellent for outreach. Twitter's audience is majority male, ages range 18 to 29. It's mainly useful for public relations, following trends, news, and influencers in your niche. It's not always about direct sales, but more about staying on top of what's going on and tying that back to your store. It's a great platform for keeping your brand relevant in conversations. Pinterest is like a digital scrapbook where people go for inspiration. It's very visual, so design and photography matter a lot. The majority audience is female, ages range from 18 to 49. Like Instagram, it's amazing for lead generation. On Pinterest, think about showcasing how your products are useful or how they can solve customer problems. It's also a great way to reach niche communities and grow your brand awareness. YouTube functions like a search engine for video. The majority audience is male, ages range from 18 to 29. It's fantastic for brand awareness. People usually watch videos before buying products, so content like unboxings, tutorials, and product demonstrations can be incredibly beneficial. TikTok is a rapidly growing short-form video platform. Its main audience is younger users, ages range from 13 to 17. If your target market includes this demographic, you should absolutely consider incorporating TikTok into your strategy. And before you go, here's one tool that can give your dropshipping business a real edge: SellerCenter. It is an all-in-one dropshipping products research and competitor analysis tool built for Shopify sellers. With SellerCenter, you can track your competitors' ad strategies across Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. You'll see what's working, spot new market opportunities, and even replicate winning ads to capture more sales. If you're serious about growth, check it out at sellercenter.io. Once you've identified the right social media platforms for your marketing persona, you should make sure you're creating riveting content that grabs attention, stops the scroll, and encourages people to click. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more dropshipping tips, ad strategies, and product research hack.